Jai Shri Ram, friends. In the Sri Ramcharitamanas Lanka Kand, after having killed Kumbhakarn, Lord Ram comes face to face with Ravan. And taking proper aim, he cuts off Ravan's head. And swiftly he cuts off all 20 of Ravan's arms. But within minutes, Ravan gets a new head and new arms. So Lord Ram again aims at Ravan's head and arms and cuts them off. Again, a new head and new arms come up for Ravan. And this goes on for quite some time. In fact, the speed increases. More swiftly, Lord Ram shoots. More quickly, Ravan's heads and arms emerge. And this goes on for such a long time that the whole atmosphere around gets filled at a point of time only with Ravan's arms and heads. Nothing is visible, it's all dark. Only Ravan's arms and heads. At this point, Trijata, who is a demoness in Lanka, but who is a devotee of Lord Ram and has a soft corner for Sita, comes and tells Sita what is happening on the battlefield. When Sita comes to know that Ram is there, she's first very happy. But then when she hears that Lord Ram is not able to kill Ravan because he's keeping on getting new heads and arms, she feels very sad. Sita asks Trijata, what can be done? Can Ravan not be killed? Isn't there any way? So Trijata said, yes, there is a way to kill Ravan. So Sita asks, what is it? So Trijata says, if Lord Ram aims at Ravan's heart, Ravan can die. So Sita is very happy. She says, hey, Lord Ram is the world's best archer. He will aim at Ravan's heart and Ravan will die. But then she gets confused. She is saying, she starts thinking, why is Lord Ram playing this game? When he is seeing that Ravan's head and arms, the moment he's cutting them, they're getting rejuvenated, then why is Lord Ram going on cutting his head and his arms? Why isn't he concentrating on his other body parts? He could have aimed at his heart by now. Why is Lord Ram not doing it? At that point of time, Trijata tells Sita, Lord Ram will not aim at Ravan's heart. And Sita gets taken aback. What? Why? Why will Lord Ram not aim at Ravan's heart? So she says, in Ravan's heart, Sita, you are there. And in your heart is Lord Ram. And inside Lord Ram's body is the entire universe. So if he aims at Ravan's heart right now, the entire universe will collapse. Hearing this, Sita gets flabbergasted. She doesn't know what to say. She feels very, very sad. She starts crying, miserable. So near yet so far. Though Lord Ram has come here, she may never be able to see him still. It may never happen. Seeing her in such an unconsolable manner, Trijata tells her, don't worry, Lord Ram will shoot at Ravan's heart. Now Sita is even more shocked. Just now you said all these things and you said he will not shoot. Then now how can he shoot? So that's when Trijata explains to her that all these things which I've been telling you Ram has been doing, and you have been thinking that Ram is wasting time. He and Ravan are just having some sort of a fun. Ravan is enjoying it like a sport. developing new arms and hands every moment. He's taking it as a game. But Lord Ram is not taking it as a game. Lord Ram has a mind plan. He knows that a point will come when Ravan will get very angry and frustrated on the cutting of his arms and heads. And he will look out for a way of what to do next. His mind will be only filled in this. At that point of time, Sita, you will not be in his heart. And at that point, taking advantage of this, Lord Ram will take aim and shoot at Ravan's heart. Jai Shri Ram.